What's going on, you guys? This is New York Adventurer 1994 here, and it is Monday, July 4th, 2022, and it's the 4th of July, and I just want to give you guys a quick tropical update on Hurricane Bonnie. I know I should be enjoying the 4th and not update on a hurricane that's not even mine, but I have enough time to do so. So I'm going to give you what we know on Hurricane Bonnie. So far, it's a hurricane that's named in the Atlantic side with an Atlantic name, and it's sitting out in the Pacific as a higher end Cat 1 hurricane. Yeah, I don't know how many times we're going to see this, or we have seen it. I can't remember the last time an Atlantic hurricane came into the Pacific. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look at the history again, but it's an Atlantic named hurricane that's actually in the Pacific heading west, and the winds are at 90 miles an hour, so it's a higher end Cat 1 hurricane, almost a Cat 2 hurricane. And there's a good sporting chance that it could become a Cat 2 hurricane at peak intensity. And now it's moving west in the Pacific out to sea, and apparently there's no more threats of it making landfall elsewhere. But we don't know yet. It's still a few days early to tell. And right now it's obviously bringing in rip currents to southern Mexico. And yeah, there's a good sporting chance that it could become a Cat 2 hurricane at peak intensity, because it's continuing to strengthen. I mean, it's at 90 miles an hour. That's a very strong Cat 1 hurricane we got there. But I don't see any timestamps on there in the cone that it could become a Cat 3 hurricane, which is a major hurricane. I don't see any black circles with M's on them in the entire cone. I only see the H, which is either a Cat 1 or a Cat 2 hurricane. That's all I'm seeing for now. It could change later, but we don't know yet. So I think it's going to be a Cat 2 hurricane, according to what I'm seeing. Yeah, this thing is pretty strong right now. It just left Costa Rica, and it's continuing to strengthen. 90 miles an hour and almost a Cat 2 hurricane, moving west out to sea in the Pacific and not harming anyone else, or not making landfall anywhere else, according to what the cone's showing 5 days out. So, and the good news for us right now, for now, is that there are no disturbances in the Atlantic for the next 5 days, at least for now. But activity will pick up, so we need to keep an eye out on the tropics now. We really have to. So I guess that's it.